brothers out there with sisters peeping.
My, you look so funny.
You mean funny, ha-ha, or funny, she?
I mean funny, yeah.
I got a sister, she's hot, and quite frankly, I'm not. For those of you who might be a little dumber, that makes me her ugly brother. And that's what this song is about. So if you got a sibling hotter than you scream and shout, come on, let it all out, those years of pain, cause me and Format feel the same. For my first 3 years, I was an only child, but I guess to my parents, I was looking lonely wild. I laid up in the crib until one of them said, let's have another kid. To which I replied, hell no, don't do it. But all they heard was, oh, what a cute kid. And Alan, just look at his precious little baby frown. He can't wait to have his new sibling around. From that point on, I had nothing to lose. I'd interrupt the mood whenever my dad would try to bust a move. I'd throw the ill tantrum until they said my book again. She'd be like, oh, very chill, grandson. But I just keep screaming until my mama running worried, my dad mad steaming from the sexual tension. Until one week I caught a throat infection that left me unable to evoke a sound. My parents slept in a separate room, but I knew what was going down. And sure enough, 9 months passed, I got a brand new baby sister, and I can already tell she's gonna be a pain in the ass. I got a sister, she's hot, and quite frankly, I'm not. For those of you who might be a little dumber, that makes me her ugly brother. And that's what this song is about. So if you got a sibling hotter than you scream and shout, it's really not a reason to be feeling blue, cause me and Format know what you're going through. So the years pass, and like B-boys, me and my sister mature. At high school, I rolled with the nerds, puny kid with orthodontic working glasses. My sister's the polar opposite, cutting classes, smoking grass in bathrooms with heavy metal dropouts. How can I put it? She was a knockout. Now get off the phone with the shrink's receptionist, because I'm not incestuous. It's just I think it's safe to guess that it's not my sister's in-depth political perspectives. It's so fascinating. To these Tasmania devil tattoo, Budweiser shotgun, and contemporary cavemen. I'm not bitter, my sister's hotter than me. I had a crappy hand in the genetic lottery. My parents laugh and say I was the practice run. Then my mom feels bad and says, you have inner beauty, son. What does that mean? Hot fucking tonsils? Girls are hostile cause my eyes are smaller than my nostrils. Modeling agents telling my sister she's sure hot. Only gigs I'm getting are as the before shot for electrolysis clinics. Lack of action make a meager chronic cynic, but at least I'm not alone as I wallow in my misery. Just take a look at Format as he stands next to his sister. She's a heavenly vision, slender like a swan's neck. When it comes to Format, God's like, no comment. To make a Sasquatch think, what a freak. Behind the tables he looks like a nose dropping beats.
But Abs, isn't that like the pot calling the kettle black?
True.